Hey everybody, welcome back. This is another video. That's not how you start your videos, wow. Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico's World. Today we're doing another segment of Uncle Nico's cooking show. You already know. Today I'm going to show you how to cook sweet chili salmon. Real simple recipe. You don't need too much. When you're looking for a bit of gourmet and you're sick of eating that Indomie noodles, wow. You're sick of eating them Indomie noodles for uni. This is something you can do, quick and simple. It involves sweet chili sauce, some chili flakes, and some cherry tomatoes. That's honestly about it. Quick and easy. So let's get down to it. Before we get started, let me just shout out to my bestie. She was the one that gave me this recipe. So let's get started, guys. The first thing you're gonna need is some just some sweet chili sauce, any type. Doesn't have to be this one. This is the one that I have. Just some sweet chili sauce. It can be slightly spicy if you want it to. It can be mild. It's whatever. It doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna chuck all of that in there. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. This should be a given, but you know, make sure you wash your hands before you actually get stuck into it. We're gonna add some crushed chili. You see that, guys? Do you see that? Like, I'm like the makeup gurus. Can you see that, guys? Beautiful. Add some sweet chili. Not sweet chili, add some crushed chili. Yeah, I know I'm African, but I don't like that much spice. Don't like too much of a kick, so I'm not gonna put that much in it. And last but not least, you're gonna add some Italian herb seasonings. Just add it all in there, give it that. Obviously my portion sizing, I've got a lot of salmon here, so I need to add more seasonings. And now for the fun part, you get to mix it all together. You know, if you've got any jewelry on, take it off. All of that lot, mix it all in nice. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Yeah. Let it all get in there. Does you got any like, you know, I don't know what I'm saying. Let me be quiet. How are you guys? Tell me about your day. What did you do today? What time are you watching this? Have you eaten? If you're making this, maybe you're about to eat. I don't know. Live your life. I don't rule you. Yeah, so just, you know, mix that all in. Make sure you get that coating real nice. Beautiful. Yeah. Remember, the salmon is quite delicate, so make sure you're not too rough, because then you'll get things like this where it kind of looks like it's coming apart. So just be a bit more delicate than I'm being right now. That looks like it's all nicely coated. Oh yeah, beautiful. So yeah, now we're going to leave that. Now the great thing about salmon is that it doesn't need too much done to it in order for it to give you great flavor and taste. And so for this, you know, you can leave it marinating for you know, half an hour up to 2-3 days. I do want to cook this tonight, so I am going to leave this for a couple hours. To leave it marinating, I'm just going to put some cling film over it and put it in the fridge. Pop it in the fridge for a couple hours and come back and show you the next step. Okay guys, now on to the next step. You want to get some cherry tomatoes. This is what you're going to put inside the salmon, inside some foil, just to give it a bit more flavor. Depending on how many salmon fillets you actually have, will vary on how many you will need. but just for an estimate, you want about maybe 2 to 3 in each salmon pocket. So yeah, let's just go ahead and cut some tomatoes. Okay guys, now we're on to the next bit. The first step we're going to do is take one of our salmon fillets. We're going to place it on some foil, like so. We're then going to get some of our cherry tomatoes, place it inside. Then we're going to wrap our salmon. And place it on our tray. And we're just going to continue doing this until all the salmons are wrapped. Okay guys, so now I have wrapped all my salmon fillets. The next thing to do is put them in the oven. I usually put them in for about half an hour plus, just to make sure that they're done. Make sure you're looking at it maybe every 15 minutes just to see, because it does vary. So yeah, I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Hey guys, so I've just taken the salmon out of the oven, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Like this. Just look at another one so you can kind of see the consistency of the salmon. See, look here. See how, look at the cherry tomatoes. They've just oh, so good. You'll know that the salmon is done if it is a bit flaky, so you want to take your fork and just run it along. If you're seeing the flakes, then yeah, it's done. It's done. You can see with this one, flaky. So I'm gonna plate up with some rice and veg and stew, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay guys, we've come to the end of the video. So as you've seen, I have created my salmon, my sweet chili salmon. I can't wait to dig in. Like, comment and subscribe. You know, it's an easy recipe, just something to make when, you know, you want to eat something good. As I said before, like, comment and subscribe. You're Boston. You didn't even let me finish. Okay, peace. To make you feel